Saying goodbye to Shop Dog one last time.
Oh, yes.
Yes. We love to see it. Goodbye, Shop Dog. Well, as you can see, today is a very sunny morning. We have Tyler doing over here a silent vlog today, which is going to be really cool to see. It is beautiful here in Florence today. And we're just going to go grab some breakfast and head out to Rome today. So I'm excited to sit on a train for 2 hours, I believe. I'm not sure what our plans are for Rome, but I think we're just gonna go do some cool sightseeing, visit all of those historic places and whatnot.
How we want to do it. If I want to book a tour for tomorrow,
Yeah.
something like that, that might be.
Yeah, I think a tour would be probably the best thing. Yeah. Yeah. Yep. So we're gonna do another combined tour like we did here in Florence with the cathedral and a couple other places like the Statue of David. But yeah, no, I'm excited. It's very nice and sunny. Kunal has a place in mind.
Next to where we had dinner yesterday, there was a little cafe.
Yeah, we're gonna go grab some coffee at a cafe, a little donut and whatnot, and get it rolling from there. This place is great. Checks out all the boxes that I like, usually from a cafe and stuff, and the food looked really good when we walked by. This is it. Kunal saw it last night, and I just happened to see it this morning. You know, yeah, let's go here. And it ended up being the same one that Kunal saw last night, which ended up working pretty nicely. Tyler's stuck at the door. A little quick breakfast before we go and head over to Rome. We have now left our hotel here in Florence. It is very sad because we had such a great time that they were very hospitable. They also had Hito, which is the best host we could ever ask for. He was just amazing. Made us feel right at home. But now, the adventure continues and we are off to Rome. Hopefully we're going to be able to see the Colosseum today. We're just going to hop on the train and take it from there. And Tyler's very excited. He's still not talking, but it's okay. It's part of his theme today. We made it on the train. I was right there. It was so hectic getting in here. There's so many people bumping into each other. I fell, but that was my own damn fault because I was riding my luggage case and I went backwards and I just landed on my ass. I wish that was recorded, but it's okay. We are on the way to Rome now. This train's pretty packed, but you know, we're gonna have some fun today. Gonna go hit the Colosseum up the moment we get there. Yeah, gonna drop our luggage off at the train station to hold while we go to the Colosseum, and then we'll pick it up later. We have arrived in Rome, and now we are looking for a place to store our luggage so we can go rent some bicycles or something and go to the Colosseum, or at least attempt to go to the Colosseum. So yeah, we're kind of stuck in a traffic jam right here. I'm just excited to go see it because of JoJo's. I know it's really silly, but when I watch part 5 JoJo's, I'm like, damn, I can't wait to go there and see the Colosseum. I mean, obviously it's a really cool historic place, and I want to see it more than just because I saw it in an anime and stuff. We just dropped off our luggage at this little corner store. They just happen to have luggage lockers in there, which is pretty cool. So we dropped much of our stuff off in there. I still have my backpack on. And we are now on the way to the Colosseum. But first off, we're gonna stop by this little scooter rental place and get some scooters make our lives a little bit easier here in Rome so we can move around faster. We're at the little scooter renting place here, Pichibachi. We were thinking about renting this little car because it's automatic and so all of us can drive it, which would be really cool, but then we moved on to the Vespas. But Kunal doesn't really have experience riding these things, so we figured getting e-bikes is probably going to be the best bet for all of us, just so that we don't we don't end up with any accidents. And also they told us if you don't have any riding experience then you can't ride these. It's huge liability, so it is what it is. But the e-bikes, I'm sure, are going to be great. We got the bikes, we are ready to go. I'm gonna see if I can do a POV with this. Yeah, that would be really cool. But if not, then we'll see you at the Coliseum. Whoa, look at that. That is very cool. You know what this is, Kunal?
Nope, no clue.
Something, but it looks really cool, and I feel really bad.
I think it's the Capitol.
The Capitol.
Let me check.
Might be the Capitol. I'll figure out the name in post. But point is, this looks beautiful. It was a nice bike ride getting over here, and as you can tell, there's a lot of people. But yeah, no, this is nice. The weather is beautiful. We're gonna kind of go ride our bikes and go to different spots, so we can see the other things that are here on the surrounding area while we kind of just kill time and wait for nightfall, because tomorrow is when we have the actual things that we have scheduled for. But today we're just kind of riding the bikes around and having a good time. Wow. This thing is massive. Video does not do it justice. It is insanely huge. It's pretty cool. This is insane. From a distance, it all looked kind of, it didn't look as big as it does up front, which is always really cool to see when you're up and close with these really cool historic buildings and like monuments and stuff like that, statues and whatnot. They just look surreal in person. I mean, like, I just can't believe it, you know what I mean? It's really cool. I love it. All right, this place is really cool. We're planning on coming back either tomorrow or Thursday just to kind of check it out. And right now we're just gonna make use of the beautiful weather and bike around for a little bit longer.
We have to go out that way.
Oh, okay, we gotta get out this way. We're gonna bike around a little bit longer and then go to the beach, because our hotel just it's conveniently located next to a beach. I don't know who did that, but we are in full turbo mode. Attenzioni! Attenzioni! Yeah, it's not a pro gamer. Pro gamer. Wow, I am out of breath. It's been a while since I've ridden bicycles, especially in a city like this. It was really fun. I'm not gonna lie, that was incredibly fun. I think riding through traffic was really fun as well. It kind of brought me back to the days where I used to ride fixie bikes. That was really fun. And also kind of reminded me of like when I'm back home in California riding my motorcycle, lane splitting and whatnot, except much slower, and I feel like it would be a lot more dangerous because at least on a motorcycle, I'm big, I have bright reflective gear so people can see me, you know what I mean? But on the bicycle I felt very unprotected, especially not wearing a helmet. But it was a lot of fun. I think everybody enjoyed it. We're just gonna go back to the hotel now and take it easy, go to the beach, and just have some fun, you know what I mean? All right, well, my dumbass forgot to give the key back to the bike rental place, so I'm on the way back now to give it to them because I'm stupid. But point is, we're gonna meet in a little bit after I drop off the key back at the bike rental place. I can't believe I forgot. It was just in my pants pocket. I swear I left it in there. All right, key is dropped off. I'm on my way back to meet up with the boys. I'm just gonna put this GoPro on my chest and just get a couple POV videos of me just walking, you know what I mean?
Let's go to the beach right away.
We all got seats now. Look at that. We have made it to our hotel. I don't really know the town that we're in, but it's a nice, beautiful little beach town, and it looks really cool. Look at all of this. The weather is perfect, so we're gonna drop our stuff off real quick and then head over to the beach. Right, we made it to our hotel room. Oh my god, look at this view, man. Damn, that's beautiful.
You want to try the aquarium?
No. Cream's good too.
Cream is good. What about lemon? No. Oh. Now. That's really good.
All right, we are going up to our room after a very eventful dinner experience, to say the least. We're just gonna pack up, call it an early night, and get ready for an early start tomorrow in Rome. We got a lot of exhibitions and museums and stuff to check out, so I'm really excited to see how that goes. But yeah, until then. See you later, gamers.